Sprinkle salt on your broom and go to sleep. In the morning, you'll be amazed by the results. Plastic brooms are very durable, but after a few months of use, their bristles start to age. The bristles begin to split and fall out, which affects the broom's efficiency when sweeping. Don't worry about it. You can improve its condition with 2 ingredients that you most likely have at home. Fill a bowl with warm, but not boiling water. Add about 500 milliliters of vinegar. The key ingredient is salt. Add half a cup. Salt has disinfecting properties. Place the broom in the bucket. It collects a lot of bacteria and dirt on its surface. This bath will thoroughly clean it. Shake the broom in the water. You will immediately see dust coming out of it. Leave it overnight. In the morning, you'll notice that the bristles look like new. The salt also hardens the bristles, which helps them regain their shape. The broom will be restored to its former condition and will be clean. It's recommended to clean your broom like this at least once every 6 months. This way, it will last for many years. Stick clear tape on the broom bristles. This trick might look strange, but it really works. While sweeping, a lot of hair and debris get tangled in the bristles. Cleaning it often becomes annoying. Instead of struggling, just stick tape on the broom. It's important to use wide tape. Don't cut it to the length of the broom. Leave a few extra centimeters on each side. Then fold it so that it surrounds the bristles. Start sweeping with the broom prepared this way. Hair, dust, and large debris will stick to the tape instead of getting tangled in the bristles. After sweeping, simply peel off the tape and throw it away. No more digging out debris from the broom. The tape also collects dirt that the broom wouldn't have been able to clean. This method makes sweeping much more effective. Put a plastic bag on the broom. This trick will save you a lot of work, time, and frustration. Don't throw away plastic bags. You can use them while sweeping. Often, large dust pieces stick to the broom, making them hard to transfer to the dustpan. When sweeping particularly dirty and dusty areas, it's better to prepare the broom. You'll need a regular plastic bag. Place the broom in the bag and tie it to the handle. This will make sweeping much faster. Dust and hair won't stick to the bag, but will gather neatly on the floor. Fur, hair, and dust will be easily transferred to the dustpan. Although this trick may seem simple, most people don't know it. Did you know about the broom and plastic bag trick? Apply shaving foam to a broom. It turns out shaving foam has another brilliant use. Take a regular broom, which you probably already have at home, and apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. This prepared broom will be a lifesaver for elderly people or those with back problems. Simply turn the broom over and spread the foam on the tiles and shower cabin. The foam works like soapy lather with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it highly effective. Leave it for 15 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom using a rubber band. This way, you can easily dry the cleaned areas without leaving streaks. You'll instantly notice that the tiles and toilet shine, and a pleasant fragrance fills the bathroom, lasting for several days after cleaning. The foam also cleans grout without the need for scrubbing. I've never been so satisfied with my broom before. If you have a fine hairnet, place it over your broom. This fine mesh will make cleaning much easier. The broom will pick up even the tiniest dirt, and everything will stick to it like never before. This will turn your broom into the best broom in the world. All you need is a regular knee-high stocking or pantyhose sock. Slip it over the broom and start cleaning every corner of your home. A regular broom alone will never sweep as thoroughly as one with a pantyhose sock. Another trick is to stick clear tape to the bristles of the broom. This odd method really works. It's important to use wide tape. With this prepared broom, start sweeping. Hair, dust, and large debris will stick to the tape instead of getting tangled in the bristles. After cleaning, simply peel off the tape and throw it away. The tape collects dirt that a regular broom wouldn't be able to clean up. This method makes sweeping much more effective. With toothpaste, you can clean your house 3 times faster. Your home will shine. Some of its uses might surprise you. I will show you where and how you can use it. You can clean your refrigerator perfectly with toothpaste. Remove the shelf, then put a sock on your hand. Apply toothpaste to the area around your fingers. With this sock, you can thoroughly clean the walls and recesses of the refrigerator. Then wipe the cleaned surfaces with a paper towel. It works perfectly for cleaning dirty, moldy silicone. Yes, toothpaste is great for mold. Squeeze some toothpaste into a bowl. Add a crushed eggshell to it. Mix it together. Apply this mixture to the mold and wait a few minutes, ideally around 10. After this time, wash off the remaining toothpaste and eggshells. You can clean the toilet brush with toothpaste. Just apply toothpaste and scrub. A toothbrush works best for scrubbing. Then rinse off the toothpaste and the brush will shine. If your bathroom rug has gotten moldy, we have a solution. This remedy will save your bathroom's decor. Pour vinegar into a bowl, add toothpaste and baking soda. Apply this mixture to the moldy part of the rug. When it dries, it will look like new. Toothpaste is also perfect for cleaning and disinfecting the liquid container in your washing machine. Just apply toothpaste and scrub it. You can save your jewelry in the same way. Toothpaste will make it shine. Take your dirty necklace and rub toothpaste into it. For cleaning gardening tools, a mixture of toothpaste and baking soda works well. Just squeeze toothpaste into a bowl and sprinkle baking soda on it. Apply the resulting paste to your tools. They will shine like new. Toothpaste is also perfect for renewing rusty items, as it easily handles rust and dirt. As you can see, toothpaste has many uses. You can clean almost anything with it. Ever since I started cleaning my stove this way, my gas bills have been much lower. Plus, cooking is faster, and the burners are more powerful. Anyone with a gas stove should give it a good cleaning every now and then. Food residue and dust can clog the burners and their internal parts. If the flame color changes while cooking, that's a sign it's time to clean. Start by removing the burner from the stove. Take some toothpaste and apply it to the metal part. Then, using a silicone brush, spread it thoroughly into all the crevices. If you don't have a brush, you can use an old toothbrush or even your fingers. It's important to be thorough. The toothpaste should cover the entire surface. Repeat this with each burner and place them in a bowl. Add a large spoonful of salt to the bowl, followed by a spoonful of baking soda. It has excellent cleaning properties. Pour a generous amount of dish soap onto the spoon and add it to the bowl. Its degreasing properties will tackle burnt-on oil and grease stains effectively. Pour warm water over everything and let it sit for 30 minutes. After that, take each part out one by one and scrub them with a sponge. A few swipes are enough for the dirt to come off easily. Cleaning the stove will be quick and enjoyable. Now let's move on to cleaning the rest of the stove. You'll need some plastic wrap. Tear off a small piece and wrap it around the igniter. Then spray the stove with a kitchen cleaner. Don't scrub it with a sponge. Instead, take a roll of plastic wrap and spread it over the stove, covering it completely. Leave it on for 15 minutes. This will enhance the cleaner's effectiveness, saving you extra work. After 15 minutes, simply remove the plastic wrap. Remember to remove it from the igniters as well. Food residue will stick to it. Now just wipe with a damp sponge and you're done. Use cotton swabs to clean the inside of the burners to remove any leftover dirt and water. This will allow gas to flow freely. A thoroughly cleaned stove will have greater power. Your gas bills will be lower because the burners will work as they should. How do you clean your stove? Did you know the methods I shared in this video?